Yeah, another good gill. Another. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Bass Wars. We are going out to fish for sunnies, like I said, but dude, it is July 23rd and it is hot. It's only 11 o'clock in the morning and we're already at like 90 something degrees. It's been so hot and humid, but we're gonna go out and try to catch some sunfish, bluegills on that flying bobber. We might even switch up with some other baits just to see what's going on. So stay with us, and thank you again, as always, for watching and subscribing. We appreciate every one of you guys. All right, here we are at Crystal Lake. These are the dog days of summer, kids. July, super hot, 23rd. I got the bobber and the fly on. Gonna start off with the bigger fly and see if we can catch some of these little buggers. The water is extremely low, crazy low. Oh, I just got tapped. But man, I got a big black fly on. Bigger than normal. We're going after them big. I just got hit. All right, you know what I'm gonna do? We're gonna move down right away because I know last time I was here I caught some bigger gills and they were destroying this fly. So that's what we're gonna do. Make our way over here. Wow, this water level is super low. This rock is usually in water. All right, let's see what we got here. Let's see if we can switch up. Oh, there it is. Wow, that didn't take long. Don't you come off, you little sucker. Got you. Hey. See that? Quick move and boom. Got ourselves one. How about that? And that black little fly. Oh, there's a few gills right here. There's a bass over here too. Oh, I think the bass is going for it. Oh, I got the bass, dude. What? Oh, he got off. Look at him. Dude, that was crazy. The bass hit it. Nice. He got off though, man. That was crazy. Oh, I'm getting tapped. Tap, tap. Oh, getting tapped again. Oh, you little monkey. Got you. Oh, good gill. This is a bigger one, dudes. Look at this one. This is a big one, man. That's a nice one right here. Look at that, right in his face. Got him. Got to do some surgery. Dude, he turned on it. Come on, big bass. Can you imagine if I catch him? I'd be so happy. Oh, got him. Oh, what I got? Oh, I got the sunny. Ah, I thought I had the bass. That's cool. Another big sunny. This is another big one. Crazy sunny action. There you go. Good. Swim off. Where's the bass? Bass, where are you? That was a good sunny. If I catch that bass, guys, that would be so cool. Flies do catch bass. Oh, goodness, another one. Dude, this is hot July fishing. Hot summer fishing, guys. That's a big one. That's another one. Dude, when you switch up to a big fly, oh wow, he's caught on some line. You switch up to the big fly, you're gonna catch bigger sunnies. You catch bigger sunnies with a bigger fly. All right, and we're back in action with another black fly. I shortened my leader length a little bit. Oh, a lot of action going on. Lots of action going on, guys. Look at that, flies on top of the water. Oh! So, had a bass on, no, not a bass, had a sunny on, got off, broke my fly. He actually took the fly off. So that's where we're at. A lot of fish out here jumping, and there's bass around. Had a bass on, the bass got off. That's okay. There is a big bass around here swimming around. Maybe we'll catch him. Oh, did you guys see that? Bigger flies, bigger fish, guys. Just like that one I just missed. Word. Okay. Oh, did you guys see all that, dude? What in the world? Fish are everywhere. Oh, there he is. Oh, got him. Got him. Yo. Big black flies. Nice little gills.
Man, welcome back to Bass Wars.
It's like sunny number 6, a good one. On that black fly, dude, I'm around some bass, man. I'm trying to get the bass to bite, but they are not having it. Maybe I had one hooked before, but he got off. But maybe we can get him. All right, guys, this is like our 12th sunny. Thank you all for watching. We're gonna call it a day. Great day out here. Caught a lot of panfish, bluegill, and we are gonna go in because it is getting crazy hot. It's around 1 o'clock.